Intelligent handling robots as indispensable handling equipment in the field of industrial automation are widely used in various industries. TaskGo to 00L, an intelligent lifting handling robot, combining advanced navigation technology with artificial intelligence, your best working pal. With sharp eyes and agile steps, Cargopal shuttles through every corner of the factory, sometimes lurking under shelves, sometimes steadily carrying heavy loads. Next, let's see how the TaskGo to 00L assists the autonomy warehousing robot in achieving pallet switching application. When the cozy machine tending cobot completes the current product's processing, it sends a pallet switching signal to the Taskman Smart Factory Management System, which then dispatches the idle TaskGo to the designated station for pallet switching. TaskGo to 00L possesses these superpowers of laser radar and visual cameras, enabling it to effortlessly tackle even the most complex environments. Through advanced algorithmic strategies, TaskGo to 00L can autonomously plan the fastest and safest handling routes. Arriving at the designated station, TaskGo to 00L enters the bottom of the rack, lifts the filled finished product pallet, and moves it away. In the warehouse area, TaskGo to 00L places the filled finished product pallet onto the rack and takes away the pallet filled with raw materials. TaskGo to 00L returns to the designated station, placing the pallet into the rack. Upon completing this round of tasks, TaskGo to 00L proceeds to fulfill the next task, calling it. TaskGo to 00L's basic qualities are flexibility, agility, and strong adaptability. Regardless of changes in the factory environment, it can quickly adapt without the need for environmental modifications. Various path planning methods allow it to shuttle freely in the production line to meet the needs of various complex scenarios. With outstanding technology and strong adaptability, TaskGo to 00L perfectly meets the diverse handling requirements of complex and varied production lines. It is widely loved and trusted by frontline users, serving as the intelligent factory's safe and efficient cargo. It's really cool. Don't you want one? Accelerating the world's transformation to digital intelligence.